In this video, I will show you how to pay with a credit card on SHEIN. So to do this, simply going to open up the SHEIN app or website and just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using a credit card. After doing that, just head over into your cart and click View Cart. From there, you want to click on Checkout Now. And then here, simply enter the delivery details. And then when you scroll down, you can then select a payment method. Now here, simply going to select credit or debit card. And you can see they accept most of them. So Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, Discover, and also Diners Club. So just select credit or debit card. Then once you enter your details here and click Save, you can then click Place Order. And then it will redirect you to the payment screen, where you can then enter your credit card details. After doing that, just go and confirm it, and then the order will be complete. So now you know how to pay on SHEIN with a credit card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.